Hey everyone, hope you're well today. My name's Jason and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to try and do a VLOOKUP in under 2 minutes. So it's a pretty straightforward process. Okay, so let's get at it. What are we trying to achieve here? So these are all of the programs in a certain college or that, and we want to identify what the fee is for each program. So we have a list of fees here for the programs. So we're going to go back to the students, then we're going to go up here and we're going to click the function here, click function. So we can pick VLOOKUP here. If it doesn't appear here, you can type in VLOOKUP and then click go and it'll appear. So click that, then click OK. So what we do here, we want our lookup value. So what are we looking up? We're looking up biology. So we're going to find out how much is biology going to cost. So that's our lookup value. Then we're going to go to our table array. So we're going to go over to our fees. So these are the list of all our programs and all our fees. So we're going to highlight them. So this, we want this to be our table array. And now we're going to press F4. This locks our table and stops it from moving. The next thing is our column index. What this is, it's going to look up the leftmost column the VLOOKUP is, and then it's going to count over and it's going to return the number of columns you want. So if we pick 2 here, it'll return B. If we pick 3 here, it'll return C. If we pick 4, it'll return D, and so on. So in this case, we only wanted to pick 2, so that's fine. So range lookup. So VLOOKUP can look up in 2 ways. It can either do an exact match or it can do a relative match. So an exact match is going to be false or 0, and a close match is going to be true or 1. Now I rarely ever use true, so in this case we're going to click 0, being an exact match. So click OK, and it's giving us their exact match, and then we're just going to drag it down for them all. See, have we all of them here? We do. That looks pretty good. So I hope that helped. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, and if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below and I will answer them as quickly as I can. Okay, have a good day.